So, good day, sir, and this is Angelica Dumagi, and this is my report activity. It's about, question is the watch two ads of the same category establish a standard or comparison and make a report. So, ang naisip ko is the smartphone. Ito is yung may mga papareheng kategorya sa details information ng bawat cellphone. So, first is we have the flagship high-end smartphones. These are the phones with top-tier specs that have the best processor and premium build quality. So, ito yung brand na cellphone na mayroong tire specs na mayroong mahusay na kalidad ng quality. Example is katulad na nasa picture like iPhone, Apple 15 Pro and Samsung Galaxy Ultra. So, the second is the mid-range smartphone. So, these offer a balance of performance and affordability that have solid specs but usually have some compromises compared to flagship. Ito naman is meron din siyang magandang performances and meron din siyang affordability na mayroon ding solid specs compared doon sa flagship. So, the unit of this is the Pixel 7a, iPhone SE3, and Galaxy A54 5G. So, the third is budget or entry-level smartphone. So, these are the user who only have an affordable budget for a simple smartphone device. So, these units like Samsung Galaxy A14 and Nokia J22 these are the budget meal unit na mayroong abot kayang budget para sa mga user na gagamit ng mga smartphones na ito. So, the fourth is the playing smartphone or gaming phone. This is about the design for a high-performance smartphone that is advanced cooling system, high refresh rate, displays, and powerful processors. These smartphones are Black Shark 5 Pro and ROG Phone 7 Ultimate Asus. These are qualities, meron silang magandang performance na lalo na sa mga paglalaro like gaming phone, paglalaro ng mga apps na ML. Ito meron silang high performance sa paglalaro.